Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to sort places by rating on Google Maps. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go open Google Maps, and for example I will look for restaurants, and to sort the restaurants like by ratings, you have, because this option is like not available here, because the normal like sort option is only by relevance or distance. So to sort them by stars or by rating, you can choose top rated from here and it will give you the top rated restaurants. Or there is another option, is to go and click on more filters and choose like the rating if you want like at least 4 stars, 4.5 stars. So for example, I will put it 4.5 stars and I will click apply, and it will sort the restaurants for me by their ratings. And as you can see, I will see only 4.5 stars or more restaurants. And another thing, to be sure that the restaurant is good, you have to go to more filters and choose that this business should have at least +5 reviews and click apply, and it will give you like good options here. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.